What is happening?
I get to strike again.
Do you want to fight me?
Go.
Wait, I'm ready.
Ah, I love the fight. Yes. Please, let... yes. Please, let the fight begin.
It's a little bit of danger mouse, like,
Get
you
him
know
down.
what I mean?
Right, Dave, get him down, get him down.
Just ride their bikes and shit.
Guys, I'd be careful because there's cameras on you. If you get recorded and get seen.
Nah, not in England though. Not in England.
No,
Like,
no, she knows, she's actually right.
oh, she's from Australia.
Just in case you didn't know, the thing pointing right at you is a
Now
camera.
arriving at Caulfield. Change here for Pakenham and
Well,
Cranbourne.
who won? Dave won.
Hey, Granny, you stop.
Hey, it's equal.
It's like,
Hey, ready? Ready to draw?
Are you really going to try that?
see it, boy.
Are you really going to try that?
The best. The best ever. Ridiculous. What do you mean?
I win
What do you mean the best ever?
You win.
Hilarious.
Really?
Disgusting or hilarious?
Trevor, get a cheap shot in.
Yeah,
You guys should do some planking.
Fishes.
The winner. The winner. Right, there's cops, there's cops.
5-0.
He's lying. He's lying.
You faggot. You motherfucking faggot.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Too easy.
Shut up.
Huh? Huh? I got the cops.
Well, what do you mean?
Shimona! What do you mean, man? Like, you're a fucking faggot, bro. Like, you don't do that shit, alright? Like,
Are you talking to me?
we're from New Zealand.
Are you talking to me?
Alright, if you're gonna be a danger mouse, you're gonna be a true danger mouse, because that's a pussy mouse right there.
Well, what the fuck are you thinking, you curly head fuck? What the fuck?
Alright, this is pussy mouse.
2 on 1.
Pussy mouse, ready?
2 on 1.
Pussy mouse, come here. Ready?
Gotta go down again. Gotta go. Huh?
Pussy mouse! Alright, is that alright? Pussy mouse.
Oh.
Oh yeah, pussy mouse.
Oh, shit.
No.
Get him off.
Yeah.
Let's get him off. You're going down now. Whoa! Whoa!
Touch. Towel. Shit.
Now arriving at Malvern.
Shimona!
Nissa. This is fucking. Get turned well. Fucking turn well.
Dave, you're on water. What are you doing?
Alright, mate. Oh, it's all out.
The cops! The cops!
Oh, shit.
Cops, Malvern, when Malvern.
Wait.
There was nothing around better. There's nothing around better.
Shimona!
Dry, sure. There's no zip under.
I'm bleeding.
That was a good fight. I appreciate that.